What's up, YouTube? So I know I haven't been uploading a lot recently, but I'm doing a big thing starting tomorrow, so there's gonna be a lot more vlogs. But right now, I'll talk about that later. Right now, we're gonna pick up the Integra and update on that. The exhaust still isn't fixed, but we're gonna pick that up and then go to Advanced Auto and get some parts.
Heavy dut!
Heavy dut! Alright guys, so we just got some Advanced Auto parts, and right now I'm waiting for my car to cool off before working on the exhaust. So I'm gonna turn my hood a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Because my problem was that I bought the wrong outside diameter size adapter, so I bought a bunch of different ones just in case I bought the wrong ones again, and these can all fit together and hopefully will fit on my exhaust. And then I also bought 2 exhaust clamps. I think I only need 1, but I bought 2 just in case. And Ray bought some car polish. So Orry just called me and he said that he is on his way because we're going to be doing his wheel bearing today also. So he'll be here in a few minutes. Alright, Orry's here and we're getting started on his car right away. So,
10%.
I probably should have been showing you guys how we're doing this because I'm sure a lot of you would find it helpful. But basically, picking up from where we are right now, we removed the brake, so the caliper actually. There is a bolt here and a bolt here, which goes into here and here, so we unbolted those, and then we were able to slide the caliper and the pads off, and then we were able to slide off the rotor, which gives us access to the spindle nut, which has a cothered pin on it. So we're working on getting that out. And then once we get that out, then we can actually pull this. We'll pull this whole assembly off and then pull this out.
Frickin' wheel hub.
So currently where we're stuck at is getting this cover off the axle nut.
Can anybody talk about what I'm doing?
Oh yeah. And while we're doing this, Hannah is being awesome. And she's actually wet sanding
Only this
the hood
part's
for
done,
me.
feel it. Compared to this. Like up
Oh, yeah,
to here
that's
is
nice.
done. Feel the gross part.
Oh yeah. So we just got a hammer. We got a hammer, and we were like, yeah, let's just try going in.
Like that, and
it came right out.
Does anybody know what Orry's tag is?
Orry's tag is fix anything with magic, and he literally just fixed it with magic. So
I swear, I applied like no pressure to it.
you know
no
what?
force,
It was from
but
all the
just
loosening
popped
that I did.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
probably.
gonna say
No, it probably was.
stuff. Look at all that rust coming out. Oh man.
Okay.
Ta-da! Okay, so we just removed the wheel speed sensor, and now we have to get these 4 bolts out. There's one here. There we get the light. There's one there, above it, and then 2 right there on the other side of the axle that you can see. We have to get those out, and then we can remove the hub.
Yeah, you're doing this. I can't do this.
Okay guys, so we got out the 4 bolts from behind the plate, and now we should be able to just pull the hub out. So we're gonna give that a try. Basically, we just hammer this out.
From this side.
No, from this side. It falls straight down. Let's get over the
My
hammer.
dad said that there was gonna be. Okay.
Got some paint chips.
So Ant just got here, and he just got a hardtop for the Miata.
Yes.
Dude, this thing's dope. So what'd you get it for?
$7.75.
$7.75, 25 bucks off. That's not bad.
No, when I got there, dude, he was like, he goes, yeah, $8.95, and I was like,
$8.95.
$800.
Yeah.
He was like, well, I said between $800 and $8.95. I was like, okay. I was like, well, what about 600? He goes, nah. Started like bugging out, and I was like, all right,
Well,
like chill out. I was
though.
like, you got some paint chips, like. But dude, you gotta see the inside though.
Hold up. So the soft top just drops down, and then you could put this on top
This
of it?
goes over the frame, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay. We were wondering because Ray and I were talking about it.
Yeah.
And she was like, so does he have to remove the soft
No,
top?
because the soft top is the frame is the frame of the Miata.
Okay, got
So
it.
this is like an option, and so is the defroster, which I got with it.
That's
Lines
sick.
in the window.
That's sick. So does that plug in? Is there like
Yeah,
a
I
plug
already
for
plugged
it?
it in, yeah.
That's cool.
Plugs in right here on this mount that came with the car.
All right.
And then it came with the original headliner. And look at the paint.
Whoa, this is clean as heck.
Yeah, he had it in his shed, just chilling. And this is the only thing he told me about.
Oh man.
He said he thinks it's from the weed whacker, but it's not a big deal at all.
Yeah.
So
that's
it clips,
so cool.
it clips like the regular tops here and here.
Yeah.
And then on the sides, by your right side,
Oh yeah, there's one there.
right here, yeah. And right now, me and Jackie just figured out that this one, when we're driving, shakes a
does-
little bit.
Does it?
So it's going on metal. So I'm gonna just put like a little piece of rubber so it doesn't like click any.
Yeah, that's cool. So wait, how did you find this? You said the guy saw your car and was like,
Literally, yeah. He saw my car backing out of my girlfriend's driveway, and he was like, "I have a Miata." He goes, "I have a hardtop." And I was like, "Well, why didn't you sell the hardtop with it?" Because I was like a little skeptical. And he goes,
Yeah.
He goes, "I wanted to keep it. I didn't want to tell the guy." So he sold it, and then he kept the hardtop, and then he didn't want to sell it, but his wife made him.
So we have created this little stand here. So the backing plate is sitting here and here, and then we have the hub hanging down. And the idea here is that we're gonna whack it like that. Yeah, so we even got my dad out here trying to help.
No, but I would continue with the chisel, see, because punching that in, I wonder what it does.
Well, they'll just
I don't think that does. I was thinking this. I didn't realize it breaks loose right here.
yeah, like I showed you in the video.
I mean, should I continue at it with the sandpaper? Because it got the rust off.
Yeah, but it still didn't move at all.
Well, some of the rust is still on there.
Air compressor?
And do what?
Blast air.
Blast
Oh,
the rust
no.
away or something? I don't know.
Well, I tell you what. Mom has dinner ready, and it's pierogies and soup and everything, and we're all invited. So why don't we go eat, let this soak for a little while, and then maybe we'll come back and have a little extra strength, and right?
I'm gonna put some more PB Blaster on.
Yeah.
Dinner time with the vlog. We're both still wearing our safety goggles. All right, so we just finished dinner and we got back out here just in time for Joey to come over. That's my hat, man.
Yeah.
I saw you wearing it. I was like, no way, Joey's wearing a white hat, a plain white hat.
I love whites.
So the craziest things just happened.
I hit it out.
Okay, so the craziest things happened. I was on the phone, so I didn't get it on
Yeah.
video.
I was
But
just
Hannah
standing
Ray-
there hitting it.
Hannah Ray was doing it, and she actually got it out.
She's so strong.
I did it.
So,
Thank you. Yeah. We got it.
She channeled her hatred for Jeeps.
Yeah, let's make sure this
Ray,
thing
Ray,
fits.
do the,
Let's.
the new one. Let's make sure the new one fits.
All right.
All right, so I don't even know. Look how much difficulty he's having moving it. I don't even know how you're driving on that. And then here's the new one. Here, I'll hold it. Look at it. I can just spin it with my wrist. Look at that.
Are you telling us or am I? Oh, okay. So after I hit out the wheel bearing, we got everything on except for the nut, but we gotta go to the store and buy it because it's a long story. So David is clear coating his carbon fiber hood after I wet sanded it all day. That's happening and it's actually coming out really good.
Yeah, because we actually sanded it, correct?
Here, let me get some white on it.
Look at that.
I can't believe.
Joey's dying, but he's the light man.
Dude, you gotta get these
That's crazy. Look at how it was, guys.
Oh my god.
That looks so good now.
Joey, why are you falling? Let me see the light.
can't
I can't see anything.
I'm not standing near that.
Damn, look at
That's
that.
the before and after. That's
Yup.
like the side
Wait, get
by
out of
side
the way.
comparison. That's only like a few coats.
You gotta keep going. You gotta make this thing
Your thing.
look like the best shitty Nintendo.
Damn.
It's the best.
That actually looks really good. Okay, so Henry and Orry just got back. They went to go look for a new nut and cover and pins and stuff, but they can only buy pins in bulk. So that's what they did. They bought it in bulk. So we're gonna work on getting this on and putting it all back together. And then it should be good to go. We'll go take a test drive, make sure it isn't gonna fall off, and call it cookies. No way.
Warm cookies.
I love you.
13 of them.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I changed
Look at my hood.
mind. I just
I was about to put this on it.
Don't put this on the hood. Doesn't
Wow.
it's like actually like pretty even.
now Joey.
Yes.
I went like extra around these
Those,
corners
yeah.
because it wasn't cleaned up too well.
Fetus.
This table's clean. I wiped it off the other day.
Nice. This is like the eating table.
Yeah.
The food
This
is.
is my eating crate.
Oh yeah. Bye, Joey.
Bye.
You gonna do a poll?
No, I don't know.
Do it.
I'll do one with the exhaust closed.
Okay, fine. David.
Exhaust, stock exhaust closed.
Still sounds so good.
I know, it sounds
Ow.
amazing. Because the motor is insane. That's why. Alright, so we ended up not doing any exhaust stuff today. But we got his wheel bearing done and we got my hood clear coated.
You want to
So-
keep my old bearing?
I don't want to keep your old bearing.
You want to get rid of it for me?
It's fine, just
Cool.
put it next to the garbage can. Oh, Ray said so take it home. Well, I'll just give it to you tomorrow morning. Because I have to come in here for my toolbox anyway. Soapy water goes down there.
Yeah, don't do drugs.
Alright, Orry.
We never do drugs.
Hey, if anything sounds weird or whatever, call us.
Well, I'm not driving this to Brooklyn. I'm
Oh, you're
going to
not?
take my mom's car.
Oh, okay.
But in the future.
Because
Yeah.
I'll be in and out faster.
I would like to know how this.
But you
how
can
this
drive
is.
it next whenever you have a chance.
All right, yeah, sure. Okay.
Alright, bye.
See you, man. So right now we're going through some this old video that I think I'm gonna finish and post. Yeah, tomorrow's a big day, so I'm gonna call it quits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.